Hello guys, Mike here. Today we're going to be scrapping this small jukebox here. Put on my gloves. At first I thought this was one of those old school CD players, the Walkman or whatever it was called, but it didn't have an opening or anything, or like flip open to put the CD in. So it's not a Walkman. It's a jukebox. Alright, so this is the connection cable here, so I'm guessing this is how you upload your music. That's weird, that's same one that goes on your printer there. Alright. It was already broken, so I'm trying to look for screws. So here's two here, so get my little precision kit. Make sure it fits. Alright. Two screws. I'm guessing there's some in here. Yeah. Oh, maybe it's broken. Yeah, that's why. Alright. Let's see if we can pry it open. And you can already see some tantalum capacitors there. Oh, nice board. All of that. It has a hard drive, and look at all those tantalum capacitors. That is beautiful. Plastic with plastic. Oh man, I don't even know what to do with this. Look at that. It has a lot of tantalums. Just so weird. I've never seen one of these. This the hard drive here. What is it? I don't say. It's probably on the other side. Alright, so let's go ahead and take that off. I'm guessing it's screwed on. I guess this was a nice find. It was in the trash. So, pull it out. Small hard drive right there. This one is like the ones that go on laptops and stuff. Now that I remember, I did have a video request that they wanted to see how to remove these pins here, so now I got a little hard drive to do that. Nice. Let's put that to the side. You see all these tantalums? That is beautiful. There's more on this side. Some flatbacks, IC chips. So yeah, that's about it. Not a bad little piece of device. You can see there's gold underneath this. I don't even know how to remove this. It's like the connection. It's gold, so let's check it out. Oh no, it's connected with the cable. Little display there. Nothing underneath. Was hoping for there to be gold, but no gold. So yeah, guys, what was this, jukebox? It's a Nomad jukebox. If you want to get some good tantalum capacitors, that is where to look. Small board, but it's full of tantalums, and that's beautiful. And a little hard drive, which I still don't know what size it is. Don't say. I should plug it in and see. Oh, I don't have the adapter to plug it in. I was gonna say see what kind of music's on there, but never mind. Alright guys, so thanks for watching again. I'll see you guys on the next video. Also, if you have a video request, leave a comment on the bottom, and I'll try to do that as soon as I can. So see you guys on the next video.